Meaning of gawkiness.
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 Gawkiness. Gawkiness refers to a characteristic of being awkward, clumsy, or lacking grace. Someone who is gawky may have difficulty moving in a coordinated manner or may struggle with social interactions. This may be due to physical features, growth spurts, or lack of self-confidence. In some cases, gawkiness can also be endearing, as it indicates a level of innocence and vulnerability. Overall, gawkiness is a temporary phase that many people go through during adolescence, and it usually dissipates as individuals develop greater physical and social maturity.